Get over here. Be ready. Dustin, get it. Hurry up. You ready? Hold on. See if it takes again. Wait, not yet. Wait for him to rip it down. And you gotta rip it hard, alright? When he pulls.
Okay.
Just pull your arm way back by your ear. Come on. Mommy has it. Oh, there you go. You got him. Keep reeling. Don't stop. Yeah, keep it high. Dustin, keep reeling. Set hook again. There you go. Alright. That's enough. As long as we got it in once. Ooh, get him over those rocks. Alright. Right. Okay, it's good. And the big ones, we gotta remember to use the net, alright? Because the rocks are out there. Alright. Finally, we got one. 8 o'clock, huh?
Exactly.
Yep.